Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and today I'm not cooking at all. I'm going to make a salad for lunch, and it's going to be an absolutely delicious one at that. I'm making fennel and orange salad. That's a Sicilian favourite. Actually, it's made in the whole of Italy in one form or other. And if you've never had oranges in a salad, let me tell you that if you just slice up an orange, slice up an onion, add salt, pepper and some good olive oil, you won't believe how good that tastes as it is. But together with fennel, which is going to be crunchy and refreshing, I'm going to add black olives and capers and a little bit of red onion. It's going to be an absolutely stunning salad. Let me show you how to make it. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need fennel, orange, capers, red onion, black olives, and if you like a bit of heat, red chili flakes.